Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Friends, I want to show you what we got here. I got sent this gear. This is Brother Atsuasa Brother Sprinter DCP1612W. I got sent this printer to review this product, okay, and see what is inside. If you check my video, you see how we unbox this gear, okay. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense that you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is dual band in the sense that you can connect it via Wi-Fi network or via USB cable. I just want to mention that unfortunately this printer doesn't have the USB cable with it. They didn't send the USB cable at home. They didn't send the USB cable with the packaging. Basically, I got USB cable at home. I got a link. You can get this from my website at vinetech.com or via amazon.co.uk. I'm going to show you where the USB cable goes. The USB cable goes at the back right here. The beautiful stuff about this printer is so this fat section goes over here, and this flat section goes to your PC. I'm going to show you how to connect this at some point with the USB cable, okay. But if you connect this printer via mobile device app, you don't need the USB cable, okay. And I also want to mention that this printer got inbuilt power cable, which is handy, so you don't need to worry about losing this power cable, okay. So yeah, from what we can see here is the scanner for this printer. You can copy your document, various sizes of paper, A6, okay, A5, B5, liter, A4 paper right in this scanner, okay. Stick your document on top of the scanner, then you select the function what you want to do, okay. Right now I want to show you some of the features right here. This printer, you turn this printer on and off from this button. You press stop or exit, okay. If you select the function and want to change your mind, so this is for you to stop, this is for you to copy, okay, color and black. This is also for you to select two-sided, 2-in-1 copy option. This button here is for you to copy, to connect to Wi-Fi network, okay. The other on top is for you to scan, okay. This button here is for you to select the function. OK arrow is for you to select the language, okay, of your country. You live in United Kingdom, so if you check my previous video, you see how we press this to the English language, or if you want to check the various languages, you need to use the button arrow to search for language. This is the button here is menu. This button here is to clear. This is LCD screen, so you see what you are selecting from the screen right here, okay. Right now it's telling us no toner, okay, so we need to load the toner, okay. So, and also I want to mention this is the paper tray right here. This printer is using various paper, okay, so you can use this arrow here to adjust it to the particular size of the paper you want, okay. Use this arrow to adjust to particular size of the paper, okay. You need to press it up and move, okay. Sometimes people can struggle with this, so you need to make sure you press it downwards and move it side. So press it this way and move, okay. So this is beautiful stuff. From what I can see here, this printer is very nice, dope technology, okay. So I also want to mention there's an arrow here for you to lift this cover. If you lift it up and want to go front, if you push it straight away, it will not close, okay. So you need to make sure you follow the process. The process you need to do, there's arrow, front arrow, trying to push this front, go back a little bit and push it front, okay. Then this will close. So if you open it up, to close it, you need to go back, push it backwards with one hand, then press this lever, okay, and this will close, okay. So this is what I want to show you right now. What we need to do is to load the toner for this printer. Okay, for us to load the toner, we need to open this up, okay, and open this up. Okay, now here is the toner for this printer. Here's the toner. I'm going to make sure we got everything we need. Okay, right now we're going to see drawing unit corona wire cleaning is required every time you replace the toner cartridges. Okay, saying here drum unit corona wire cleaning is required every time you replace the toner cartridges. Okay, there we go. This is brother toner. Now it's telling us remove. Okay, so this is the toner for this printer, brother at your side. Okay, so for us to remove this toner, you just need to push it out. Okay, push it out. Here we go. Okay, now we need to go in. Okay, we need to go in. Here we go. You hear a click sound, and to remove it, you press. Okay, so the toner goes like this. Okay, and to remove it, you need to press this lever. Okay, so once you press this lever, then it will bring it up. Okay, so the toner goes this way. You can see it goes this way. Okay, and it's in. Then to remove the toner, you press this and it will come off. Okay, so it goes this way. Okay, this is how to load it. Then you go in. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then you go in. Once it's in right now. You can see. Okay, here is the toner. Bring it out. Okay, to remove it, you need to press this button here. Press this lever, and this will come out. Okay, I want to show you again to make sure you get it. Okay, so press this lever and bring this out. Okay, push it right back in. You hear a click sound. Okay, once it's in, okay, so this is how to load the ink toner for this printer. Right now what we need to do is to close this down to see if we recognize this toner. Okay, right now, so to close this down, push backwards and front. Here we go. So close. Right now it's telling us please wait. Okay, it's right now recognizing. Here we go. Stack copies. Okay, so this is how to load the ink toner, and it recognizes it already. Okay, so right now on my next video I'm going to show you how to load the paper tray. Thank you very much. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This is brother DCP 1612W. Nice gear, multifunctional printer. It's multitask, Wi-Fi satisfied, high speed, USB satisfied. Okay, you can place up to 20 paper, okay, per minute. Okay, you can load up to 150 sheets of paper. Okay, and memory 32 memory gigabyte, wireless. You can also connect this with your mobile device app, which I'm going to show you. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe, show us some love, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate you. Peace.